चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें, नोटिफिकेशन बेल क्लिक करें, लाइक कमेंट शेयर करें।
Hi friends, welcome to my channel Hopscotch Kids and I am Pankhudi. Today under my Study Smart series, I am going to share what all items are essential and what I carry for my exams. So stay tuned. This is my pouch. I prefer pouch instead of a pencil box as it is easy to carry and can contain multiple items inside it. It is a semi-transparent pouch. It has a cute unicorn on it and has glittery filling also. I really love my pouch. So the first item is pen. Pens are the most common as well as important stationery item. I have two blue pens with which I will do most of my writing. I also have a green one for headings, subheadings, etc. I love to use Hauser pen, but you can use any of your choice. Soon I am going to share a video on top 15 pens I love to use. The next item I have is a pencil. As I do all my work with pens, I only require one pencil for all other stuff like making diagrams for science and maths. You can get any pencil of any brand as per your requirement. Be sure to sharpen it before putting it in your pouch to save time. Next I have an eraser cum sharpener. Personally, I find it very useful. We generally forget to carry either sharpener or eraser with us. This 2-in-1 item is perfect for everybody. We tend to stand up to sharpen the pencils and throw the waste in the bin. This tool can also collect the waste in it and we can avoid standing up and wasting time. Next I have geometry items, a ruler and a protractor, or as called a D-scale. You can ignore these items if you don't have a math or science test, but I prefer to keep them anyways. I also have a compass. You can also ignore this. I keep this in a box so that I don't poke my finger in it while digging for any item. Safety first. Next, I have a correction pen with me. We often do mistakes while writing our paper. Always carry a correction pen with you. You can also use a correction tape as an alternative. I also have a highlighter to highlight the stuff in the passage or in my sheet. After this, I have a stapler. I use it to staple my sheets and keep them together. During exams, teachers provide us threads to tie our sheet, but I prefer stapler as it is more convenient. Be sure to fill your stapler with the pins before putting it in your pouch. I also have an exam board. Without this, it will be very difficult to write a paper due to uneven surface of a desk. Your sheets can bend and tear while writing, so I always keep a board with me. I have a see-through board. You can use any board. I have sheets for the exam because we need something to write. I have the sheets of the brand Lotus. You can use any type of sheets of any brand or simply tear some out of the register, which I really do not recommend. Exam time is a stressful time, so don't forget to take breaks in between your studies. Spend fun time with your family to release your exam pressure. I hope you will like the video. Please comment if you like the video. तो ये था आज का ज्ञान, न हटाना इन वीडियो से अपना ध्यान। मिलेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।